Hello. In the last video, if you are following this series of using the Comet browser by Perplexity, we have done cleared our WhatsApp and saved a lot of space, right? All the prompts I am maintaining under this AI browser automation, right? That can save a lot of time. So in the previous video, what we did was we ordered gift card from Amazon, right? So that I can pay my bills. And if you see here, I'm having 3,500 as balance, right? And these are the two bills that I have to pay. And let's see if it can be paid by just prompt. I'll close this portion and even this, right? So how it will help you is see, I don't know, right, where I have to go. I have to sometimes search, right? Do I have to go to Amazon Pay, then insurance, then open it, then see some electricity bill, all of that, right? So now I have added Amazon Pay balance in the previous video. Now I'll try this, right? So what you have to do is you can open the assistant which is there on this right side or okay. If you see there is some light that came that used to come in old serials near the special people like mostly gods, right? So if it has go to Amazon Pay now, it automatically let's see if it is able to pay it, right? I don't have to search for where is insurance premium, where is electricity, right? Because sometimes some options are hidden and all, right? So you can ask it to do it. So it has reached electricity. Let's see if it is able to find. So there is a bill that is there of 1620 rupees that is due on 11th September, right? I'm not saying it to say anything, right? So looks like it has opened it, right? So on the right side, it is showing all of the stuff that, okay, uh, excellent. It is telling that it is able to find it. Let's see if it is able to pay it as well. Right. So I have intentionally do it via Amazon Pay balance because I have loaded it using SBI cashback card. So 5% I got there. Plus, in this, it will not ask me any OTP because Amazon Pay balance can be utilized directly, right, without any OTP and all. So hope it is able to pay it. As of now, it is little slow, right? So if you see the pay now button is clearly visible, but it has not paid it yet. But I'm sure it will be able to do it. And the other thing is the insurance part, right? And it would be great if they can bring some scheduler here, right, where you can add your prompt and they can run at a certain time, considering that your system is on, right? Because and I have intentionally logged in, right, so that it is not stuck in the login process. In case you have set up two-step authentication, right? So definitely it is slow, right? As of now, it is telling working, right? The pay now button is clearly visible, but it has even noted it, right, that the pay now button is enabled, right? Still, it's not able to pay it so far till now. So you can click on the sources to see that from where all it has taken all of this information and all of it, right? But it's good that like it's able to reach even here without any locators, without using any Playwright, Selenium, YBM, Cypress, or all of those tools, right? So these daily tasks you can achieve using Comet browser, right? So do download it. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel as well and leave a comment that what all things you think that can be covered via browser automation. And I'll still wait for it to complete. Let's see if it is able to do it or not. And you can even pause this, right? If you want, you can pause it, right? Then it might stop and you can press the pay now button, right? But let it continue. I'm not pressing it. I'm just checking that if it got stuck somewhere, right? So that it can do it fast. As you can see that it is able to pay after writing this prompt till the electricity bill, right? Let's now see that whether it is able to pay the electricity bill as well. So I'm not touching the mouse keyboard anything over here, right? And if you see that the amount has been reduced, right? I was having 3,500 in my account. Now it is showing 1921, right? So I have not told which policy does not has the premium paid, right? So let's see if it is able to fetch that out, that it is the first one, right, where I have to pay for it. Let's see if it will open this or it will try to add a new one, because I have asked it to even ask me question if needed, right? So if you see it has opened it, let's see if it is able to pay it as well, right? So I have tried this 3, 4 times, right? In between, sometimes it was getting stuck and all, but it is able to do it, right? So maybe there are some problems that sometimes it works slow as well, right? But here I think at this time it would be able to pay it. Right, I have kept Amazon Pay balance so that I need not to uh, face any issues, right, with the OTP or some things like that, right? So if you see it has paid it, right? So it just needed a English sentence, right, which is called as prompt to pay my bills. If later on we get this scheduled, right, the life would become very easy, right? We can be hassle free. You can say that you can put a auto biller as well, right? Because but auto biller you don't get all the benefits, right? Sometimes some cards have advantage, sometimes other, right? So you can adjust this prompt and all, right? So yeah, looks like everything is good, and you can subscribe to my channel and do comment that what all things you think that with this browser automation that we use in our day-to-day life that can be automated, right? I'll share some testing and automation scenarios as well. On the right side, if you see, it is telling me that it has paid all of this, right? Now it has stopped and I can go to Amazon Pay and I can see my balance should be reduced. Now it is 566. So hope you enjoyed it. Do visit gauravkhurana.in, right, and do explore various section. I have put a browser automation section, and do connect with me on Medium, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you like. Thank you so much for watching.